Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. In previous video I discussed about the manifest.json file, which is the configuration file for your extension, and in this video I'll show you how you load this extension. So if you have this basic structure, you can load the extension easily on your browser. So let's see, and remember this logo, okay? So if you wanna add more stuff in your manifest.json file, here's the documentation. You will find everything here. That's what I told you, you can find everything on official documentation if you always want to explore more. But what I showed you is the basic stuff you should have, like mandatory to have on your JSON file. So I'll close this one. And how you can load an extension from your folder. So here, when you go to Chrome browser, you see this icon for extension. From here you can go to manage extension and you'll open this interface. So here you can see there's a option for developer mode. You have to turn it on to use your customized extension, which is not from Chrome Web Store. Like basically you find extensions on Chrome Web Store, but if you want to load an extension from your local computer or from a folder, you turn this developer mode on. Here you will click on load unpacked and you'll find the folder. Like for me it's on desktop and the name was Chrome extension. There it is, Chrome extension. So select folder and you see it's loaded and the logo came here as I mentioned, and the name is demo extension and it's loaded. You can reload anytime. Here there's a service worker. So let's pin this extension. Alright, so click here and you can see our extension is here. Pin. Tada, our extension is officially on Chrome browser. So you can see the icon here, and when you click there's nothing, something blank, because we have popup.html but nothing is there. Alright, so this is our demo extension, and when you hover here you see demo extension. That's the work of this one. Default title demo extension. If I do demo extension 2, every time you make a changes you need to reload the extension and the change is gonna appear here. Sorry, demo extension 2, you see. So let's design some popup.html. Popup.html. I'm in my VS Code, so if I click like this, the exclamation mark, it gives you the basic template for HTML. Title maybe demo extension, and in body I'll type this is demo extension. Okay, and save. It's auto saved. Reload my extension and click. See, this is a demo extension. This is how the popup.html works. So in next video I'll show you the popup.js, popup.css, and how it works and where it works. Like there are 3 different things you need to understand. One is background.js, which works on the background, content script.js, which works on your console of the tab you currently opened, and popup.js works for your pop-up. Like if I made a button on this pop-up and I want to run a function, when I click that button I need to use the popup.js file to execute that stuff. In next video it's coming up, popup.js and popup.css and all those stuff. Okay, so see you on the next video. Bye bye.